Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Kung bago lang po kayo sa aming channel, please like, share, and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo pag may bago po kaming video, okay? I just wanna thank to everyone na walang sawa pong manunood sa aming video. I wanna shout out Joy Larot, Ruby Pascual, Joe Atensio, and all my ka-team. Maraming salamat po. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, wala pong manonood sa amin. Okay, thank you po. So for today's video, guys, I think it's about time to unbox my Christmas present that I haven't unboxed yet. So as you can see, I'm wearing a towel for my hair because I just had a shower. Kasi mag-unbox po tayo ng Dyson Supersonic fast drying, no extreme heat. Engineered for different hair types, helps protect natural shine, smooth, control styling, re-engineered styling attachment. So, meron siyang attachment 1, 2, 3, 4. So, for this one, it's a styling concentrator. This one is smoothing nozzle and diffuser and gentle air attachment. Wala akong maintindihan dyan. So, guys, kasi yung asawa ko yung nagpo-push na i-unbox ko na daw kasi anong buwan na, February na, December pa ito. Eh, wala, alam mo yung may time kasi na wala tayo sa mood mag-film. So, push natin today. Paano ba ito? Ito yung proper unboxing. Sirain yung box. And, okay. So, I think this is the wire. And we might need a spare socket. Kasi normally guys, pag nag-unbox ako, I'm not used to read the instruction. Hula-hula lang ako, hula-hula. Pero, kailangan pala natin mag-read ng instruction. So, these are all the ayan, ito yung manual. And this is the attachment. Ito yung attachment. Ayan. Dyson. Nice box. So, ito siya. Itabi muna natin to kasi and then this one is I don't know what's this one for. My pad. So let's read the instruction. This is Arabic, so let's find English instruction. Walang Bisaya instruction. Okay, it's here. Okay. Non-slip mat. Okay. For this one, guys. So this is the non-slip mat. So, ilagay natin siya dyan. Ayan. Sa table para hindi siya mag-slip. Okay. Smooth nozzle, so let's use a styling concentrator. So this is the smooth nozzle, so we will attach this one here. Oh, it's magnet siya, guys. Hala, ano to? This button is the airflow 3 precise settings. Okay, so this one is the temperature control 4 precise heat settings, and this is the power on and off and sliding switch, so you can slide it to switch on and slide down to switch off. That's basic. And this one is the cold shot, press and hold to deactivate heat and set style. So ito guys, nung nag-switch on ako kanina, may air na lumalabas, so this is the air inlet. removable filter cage, easy to remove for cleaning. Okay, so ito yung filter pag ano, 'di ba sa normally na hair dryer, yung filter nandito sa likod. So yung filter nitong Dyson itong Dyson Supersonic is nasa baba. So ito yung filter niya. The problem is I don't know how to it's really hard. It's really hard para tanggalin. Kaya hindi ko alam paano siya, okay? Si magnet siya, guys. Oh. Tapos, ayan. Pag tanggalin, ayan. Kailangan lang, kunting lakas. Ayan. So, ito yung smoothing nozzle. Dries hair gently using smooth air. Tapos, let's use this one is too hot. So, we adjust this one. Ayan. Ito yung button, guys. Pag gusto niyo super init, press lang siya kasi may red light na lumalabas dyan eh. Tapos, pag gusto niyo yung hindi maingay, ito lang yung pipindutin para silent air lang lumalabas. Okay. Tapos, ito yung cool. Hot, cold. So, try natin ulit. Ayan. So, number 2 yan. Number 3. That's 1. So, quiet lang yung 1. Kaya lang matagal mag-dry yung hair, lalo na pag may makapal ka yung buhok. So, let's try the cool one. Ayan. Try natin yung cool. Ayan. Cool na siya. In fairness, guys, sa ilang minuto lang yung ginamit natin yung hair. Ang bilis niyang mag-dry. So, ito yung unang attachment. I-try natin yung diffuser. This one recommended for use and low temperature and flow settings. So, ito yung gamitin nyo, guys, pag magpa-curl kayo ng buhok nyo kasi kailangan dahan-dahan yung ano nito eh. Para ma-define yung curls ng hair nyo at ma-reduce yung freeze hair. So, ito yung gagamitin sa mga mag-hair styling. Tapos, itong isa, ito, similar lang din siya nito, pero itong styling concentrator, this one is smoothing nozzle. This one is styling concentrator. This styling concentrator is make your hair fast dry, precise airflow for controlled styling, and but you have to adjust one section at a time. Hindi siya pwedeng diretso mo ng number 3. So, dahan-dahan siya. Tapos, this one is for gentle air attachment. So, gentle color airflow for fine hair and delicate scalp. So, for those people who have a delicate scalp, ito yung attachment ang gagamitin nyo para magpatuyo ng buhok. Let's try this one. But we need to use one. This one is very cool, guys. Malamig siya, tapos ang bilis ng ng hangin. Maganda. Ayan. Ay, ang lamig. Pag nasa Pinas kayo, guys, sa super init, gamitin nyo lang ito. Malamig, parang fan. Malamig yung yung buka ng kasi naka-switch off pala yung natin, yung hot temperature. So, naka-cold siya. So, let's try the hot one. This attachment is quicker for those people who have thick hair and thick strand hair. For example guys, habang ginagamit nyo ito, tapos yung lid nito is continuously flashing, that means that the machine needs attention. Kaya kailangan nyong tumawag sa Dyson helpline. So this one. So, ito guys, ito yung may mga maninipis ang buhok, yung may sensitive scalp, kasi yung blow ng air niya is not too hot. So, tama lang yung temperature niya. So, ayan. So, look, see? Very silky yung hair. Ayan, after mag-hair dryer ng Supersonic hair dryer. Ayan. See? Yeah, rejoice! Oh, see? Oh. Ayan siya guys. Napaka-smooth ng hair. Silky hair. So, yan. Hindi siya crazy hair. So, kaya suklayin niya yung kamay. So, like that. Like, gulo-gulohin mo yan. Ganyan. Oh. Anong shampoo mo, te? Ayan. Okay, so, thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.